In this lecture and next lectures, we will learn how to import different data types to Power BI. The most famous one is the Excel sheets. So to import Excel sheets, you can directly click on Excel button in the data group, or you can click the drop-down menu and select Excel. We will click on Excel button, and here many Excel sheets. We will import this one, list of national capitals. Open. Because this Excel sheet contains only one table, I will find here in this navigator only one selection. If I have more than one table, so I will have more than one selection, and I can select which one to load to Power BI. Because I didn't select any table till now, I will find that load and transform data buttons are still inactive. To load any table to Power BI, I should mark the corresponding tick box. As here I have only one table, I should mark this tick box. Once I marked it, I will find that load and transform buttons became active. I will find that the data content of this table are displayed now to the right part of this window. I can simply click load to load this data into Power BI. It's now loading. I find here a window says that one of the loaded queries contained errors. Let's view this error. A new Power Query editor is displayed now to display the error. The error is in line 261 and 263. We can go to the Excel sheet to check the details of this error. By referring back to the data source in the Excel sheet, we can go down to the error lines. I will find that these are the error lines. Actually, it is not data. It's just for more info, click this link. So this is not the data which I should deal with. I can simply delete these two lines from here and reload the Excel sheet, but I don't need to do like this. I can delete this data from Power BI. I can return back to the Power Query editor and select the Remove Rows drop-down menu. A drop-down menu will be displayed, and select Remove Errors. Any action I perform in the Power Query editor, it is recorded here in the applied steps. There is no Control Z. If I need to undo any step, I can just click delete. Now I can click close and apply. I will find that the data is imported to the Power BI window. If I want to check that errors have been removed, I can go to Transform Data and select the second sheet. Notice that they are the same names, but one of them is CSV and one of them is Excel. And scroll down to the lines where we had the error. You will find that the two lines which have error are now removed. The Power Query Editor window, in the top row, beside each column name, I will find the format of the data for this column. For example, this serial number, I will find beside it is 123. If I click on this 123, it indicates that this is the data format. The data format for this column is whole numbers. If I need to change it to any other format like time or date or text or any other format, I can simply change it. If I want to change it to text, I can select text. I will find that the format changed to text and ABC replaced 123. Power Query automatically detects the data types. For example, you will find that country and capital city and notes are in text format. They are all marked by ABC. If I want to undo this step and return back the data type to whole numbers, I can simply select delete. I will find that the data is returned now to be numbers, not text. can then click close and apply. Once I clicked close and apply, it is the same as if I made transform. If we remember in the first of this lecture, when we imported this data, we found two buttons, load and transform. And we said that we will make this transform later. Once I open the data query by transform data and then click close and apply, so I transformed this data. How can I know that this data is transformed and now valid to use? I will find this data is displayed in the fields window, right of the screen. Now I can import Excel sheet, I can load this data, I can transform this data, I can change the format of any column. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.